lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, The Brown Girl Mansi, and I am Mansi. Hope you all are doing well. So, this is the look I'm sharing with you guys, which is a burgundy monochromatic makeup look. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so whenever I post any amazing video, you get notified. So yeah, let's just get started. So first I'm using Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner. I'm just putting few drops in a cotton pad and just swiping it all over my face. Next I'm using Good Vibes Grape Seed Serum and applying it again all over my face. Next I'm using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer and just applying it all over my face nicely. Next I'm using Blue Heavens Primer, which is the Studio Perfection, and applying it all over my face but focusing more on T-zone area and just blending it. Next I'm using Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator, applying it all over my face to just get a dewy base. Next I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer, which is in the shade 05 Medium Moe, and applying it on my eyelids to just prime it because I'm starting off with my eye makeup. Next I'm taking Malio makeup palette and taking the powder shade from that and just patting it on my eyelids, just setting my eyelids. Next I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette and taking the shade Sandalwood from that and applying it on my crease. Then I took a flat shader brush, उसमें मैंने henna shade लिया है and applying it on the crease line. Again I am taking the shade Sandalwood and just buffing it on my crease, blending the edges of henna, and just after that I am intensifying the color with the same henna shade and again blending it using a fluffy brush. Next I am taking this burgundy shade in a flat shader brush and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes, creating an outer V. So next I'm taking shade Cocoa in a pencil brush and just creating a outer V or intensifying the color. Just blend it, and I'm also going to create a wing on the outer corners, as you can see how I'm doing that. Again I'm just blending all the shades together. Next I'm taking the same shade, which is the burgundy one, applying it on the lids, not complete lids, in a fourth of the lids. Next I'm taking shade Bubbly in a flat brush and applying it from the inner corners till the mid of the lid. Next I'm taking the same burgundy shade in the flat shader brush and just blending the color with that. Next again I'm taking the shade Sandalwood and just blending all the colors together. That's done. I'm going to copy the same on other eyes. Next I'm going to remove all the fallout and clean the edges of my eyeshadow with a cotton pad. Next I'm using Fit Me foundation, which is in the shade 238 Rich Tan, and just applying it all over my face using a beauty blender and just blending it properly. Next again I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Concealer, which is in the shade 05 Medium Moe, and applying it on my under eye, bridge of my nose, cupid bows, chin, around my mouth, and also below my jawline, above my jawline, blending it with a beauty blender. First I'm going to blend the tip of my nose, forehead, around my mouth, and then I'm going to just leave the concealer from my under eyes and I'll start contouring. For that I'm using SFR Colors concealer palette. I'm taking the darkest shade from it and creating a triangle on my cheekbones And also I'm going to create lines sides of my mouth, my forehead, on my jawline, on my nose. I have a little bit of double chin, so I have to put the concealer on my jawline. Next I'm blending it with a brush and just blending it on the upward direction. Always blend your concealer in contour in upwards direction, and forehead वाला आपको आपके hairline से merge करना है. As you can see, I'm doing that, and at last I'm going to blend the concealer from my under eye, जिससे सारे colors properly blend हो जाए and आपकी nose contouring भी अच्छी हो जाए. Next, I'm using RCO translucent powder, which is in the shade 04, and just applying it on the area where I've applied concealer. एंड मैं थोड़ा सा अपने नोज़ के साइड्स में और मिड में लगाऊंगी ताकि कॉन्टूर परफेक्ट दिखे. मैंने अपने जहाँ पे हॉलोज़ों में चिक्स में कंसीलर लगाया उसके नीचे में मैंने थोड़ा सा पाउडर लगाया है. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू फिल माई ब्राउज यूजिंग द सेम पैलेट एंड आई एम टेकिंग द ब्लैक एंड ग्रे शेड एंड जस्ट फिलिंग माई ब्राउज. आई एम यूजिंग एन एंगल ब्रश फॉर फिलिंग माई ब्राउज. Fill them properly. And brows are done. Now I'm going to just dust off the powder and I'm going to just blend the powder all over my face, and I'm also going to blend that on my neck. And आप powder हटने के बाद भी देख सकते हो my face is glowing because of that highlighter. Next I'm taking this shade Cocoa and Henna in a pencil brush and just blending it on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the burgundy shade which I took before and I'm going to blend it below that ताकि एक smoky look आ जाए. नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग शेड मून डस्ट एंड उसको मैं अपने इनर कॉर्नर से लेकर लोअर इनर थर्ड तक लगाऊंगी. एज यू कैन सी आई एम डूइंग दैट. नेक्स्ट फॉर eyeliner I am using NY Bay liquid eyeliner and just creating a big wing. मैंने पतला विंग नहीं बनाया है. I've created a big and a fat wing. You can see that. मैं थोड़ी सी विंग अपने इनर कॉर्नर्स में भी निकालूंगी because I want to create like my eye should look like a cat eye, right? So I'm doing that. I'm going to do the same on other eyes and that's done. Next I'm using Lakme Iconic Mascara. I'm going to just coat my lashes properly with it. Lower lashes को कभी नहीं भूलिएगा. You have to fill them also. नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग एसएफआर कलर्स फॉर फेस पैलेट. उसमें से मैंने कॉन्टोर शेड ले लूँगी. दोनों शेड्स को मैं मिक्स करके अप्लाई करूँगी टू जस्ट ब्रॉन्ज अप माई फेस. एज यू कैन सी आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन द अपवर्ड्स डायरेक्शन अगेन. अगर आप अपवर्ड्स डायरेक्शन में अपने कॉन्टोर को ले जाते हो तो वो काफ़ी चिजल दिखते हैं. आपके चीक बोन्स काफ़ी फ्लैट दिखता है आपका फेस. And I'm going to also contour my nose, jawline, forehead. Next I'm taking SFR Double Deck Eyeshadow Palette. उसमें से मैं ये जो कोरल कलर है उसको मैं अप्लाई कर लूँगी. कोरल कलर ही अप्लाई कीजिएगा फॉर ब्लश बिकॉज वो काफ़ी अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा आपके आई लुक को. सो या मैं हमेशा अपने नोज़ में और चीक्स में भी नोज़ चीक्स एंड अपने चिन में लगाती हूँ. नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग Maybelline मास्टर क्रोम हाईलाइट विच इज़ इन द शेड मोल्टन गोल्ड एंड उसको मैं एक फ्लफी ब्रश में लेकर अपने चीक बोन्स में, क्यूपिड बोज, फोरहेड, टिप ऑफ माई नोज एंड चिन में लगाऊंगी. ऑल्सो मैं वैसे अपने ब्राउ बोन को भी हाईलाइट करूंगी. Next I'm taking Klami Cosmetics Lip Definer, which is in the shade L05 Cherry Brown, and just lining my lids properly. Always follow the shape of your lips, overline करने की जगह. If you have really small lips, तब आप overline कर सकते हो. But I will create a video for that too. If you want to, let me know in the comments down. And yeah, I feel my lips are enough big for lip lining. Next I'm taking Miniso Love Some Long Stay Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, which is in the shade 05 Beet Red, and just filling my lips. It's a very beautiful burgundy shade and I just love this lipstick. इसका formula इतना अच्छा है, I can't even explain that. So yeah, this is my finished final look. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, this makeup look, and also found my video helpful for you all. I'll bring more such amazing makeup looks further too. Do let me know your thoughts about this look in the comments down below. Also give me suggestions or tell me your problems related to makeup, so I'll make a dedicated video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, please share this video to your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And please support me. I really need your help and support. See you all next time. Bye bye.